Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech YouTube video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get the new Windows 11 feature, which is app picker. So new app picker. So this implementation has not released to at least dev channel yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get these hidden features into your machine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new app picker in your Windows 11 PC. So the people doesn't know what the app picker means. Let me show you. This is the WinRAR file which I have uninstalled the WinRAR application, so it can't be opened. So if I right click it and go to open with and choose another app, it will show me a app picker which I can use. I can choose any app and to open this file. So this is very old one because this has been in Windows 10, and I think in Windows 8 also this the same app picker. So what Microsoft has done is they have redesigned this app picker to make match with Windows 11 theme. So let me show you how to get this. First of all, you need to go into this URL. I'll put this in the video description, so you can just click on it and go to this website. Once you come here, this is a GitHub page. So in here, click on the first one, which is called ViveTool zip file. Make sure this is the latest version and click on here. And I have already downloaded, so I'm gonna open that one. Okay. So this is the zip file we have downloaded. Now right click and extract all. In here you have to choose browse, and you have to choose go to Windows, whatever the drive you have installed Windows. My drive is C, so I'm gonna go to C. Then go to Windows folder and find the system32 folder. So it's here somewhere in here. This is the system32 folder. Open that up and click on select folder. Now click on extract. I have already extracted, that's why it's asking to replace the file, so I'm going to click on replace the file and click on do this for all current items and click continue if asked for any permissions. Okay, extract is fine. Now the second thing you need to do is go to start, type cmd and right click on the cmd and click on the run as administrator. Then the command prompt will be run as administrator and the path is system32. Now let me get the code here. Okay, I'm gonna copy this code. So you have to put this code and press enter. I'll put this code in command in the description below, so you can just click on copy it and paste it here. So I'm gonna press enter and it says successfully set feature configuration. So I'm gonna close this. The second thing you need to do is right click on the start bar and go to task manager. Either you can restart your machine or you can do this. So in here find file explorer. It's somewhere here, Windows Explorer, not file explorer, it's a Windows Explorer. So once you find that, click on it and press restart. Okay, it's finished. Let's see if this works or not. Let's right click this WinRAR file, go to open with and choose another app. As you can see, this is the new Windows 11 app picker. Suggested apps, more options, like you have more options, and also you can browse apps in Microsoft Store, which open this file, and you can choose an app on your PC as well. So let's say I'm gonna open it Notepad for now. You can save this as always open this extension of files with Notepad, or you can press just once. I'm gonna click just once because it can't open. This is for only testing. Okay, so as you can see, that's the new app picker in Windows 11. Also, if you double click and open this file, if the Windows can't find application to open that file, so it will show this app picker as well. So it's asking select an app to open .rar files. So you can choose any application in here and open with that application. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helpful for you to get the newest Windows 11 app picker into your Windows 11 PC. So if so, subscribe to the channel, like this video. See you next time with another great video like this. Bye bye.